Nyash is nyash to some people.
In the world. In the whole world.
In the world.
That is with the money and everything that comes with it.
Hold on. Let's use human being. That's why I say let's not use cat. That cat will die.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Can you guys see who is here? The almighty,
hey Jesus,
almighty Nelo Okeke, the one and only. How are you? Welcome to Abuja. You guys were meeting for the first time.
The moment I realized I booked my flight to Abuja, I just messaged you. That was how many weeks ago?
It's not up to 3 weeks.
It's been up to 3 weeks.
Yeah, it's not up to.
It's up to 3 weeks.
But I know when she told me she was like,
around 3 weeks,
we must collaborate.
Yeah.
When she asked me,
I was like,
would you like to collaborate? I was like, before. I said before.
When I just said that, she laughed.
I said before. Are you serious? Anyway, guys, today's video is going to be a mukbang video.
Yes.
We have here pizza. Right.
Okay.
We have pizza and we have Nelo's favorites.
Yes, chicken.
So
like I'm sure it's me that will finish it. I'm sure when you're sitting there eating one, I can eat 4.
So we're going to be eating this and also going to be answering some very deep.
She didn't tell me the questions we answered.
I didn't say, but don't worry. You will see.
Okay.
Even me, I'm not even looking at the question very well.
Serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's be like the first time seeing it as well.
Okay.
So without further ado, without wasting too much of your time, let's get right into today's video.
This height my pizza out. We'll remove what we don't know, okay?
Yeah, so first question for Nelo. Would you save the life of a homeless person? Why or why not?
That's easy now. Of course I'll save the life of a homeless person. It depends on the situation, but really, it doesn't really depend. Homeless doesn't mean you're a bad person or anything. It's just, of course, if it's that will I pay money to save your life? Of course. But if it's will I give you my kidney to save your life? I can help you pay for a kidney if I'm not comfortable giving you my own. But I would do my best to save your life, to help save your life.
Okay.
Is money the real source of your happiness, and what makes you happy?
Is money the real source of my happiness?
It's almost like 2 questions in one.
Money contributes to my happiness. It's not the main source, but it contributes. Yeah.
What makes you happy?
What makes you? My family. My family makes me happy. Just knowing I have a family of my own. Waking up every day to my daughter and knowing that this is my daughter makes me so happy. So yeah, that's it. Money is not like it's not like the main source, but it contributes. Money contributes to happiness.
Money makes the world go around.
Yes, now.
Without money, you'll be miserable. The fact is that you'll be miserable. In fact, you hardly get a glimpse of happiness.
Yes, I agree.
Because you're working so hard to make it, even afford rent or food. Money is important.
It's very important, guys.
Extremely.
Over important, in fact. Next question. Are you the type of friend you would like to have as a friend?
Yes.
I know you will agree with this one.
No. Come and tell them. I don't have to think twice to say that. Like, if I have just one friend like me, without having any other friend in this life, I'll be fine.
Good.
Like, I know myself. Not like, we all know ourselves. I tell you, I don't joke with friendship too. It's not something I take lightly. Like, I fight for my friends more than I fight for myself. I can never ever fight for myself. I won't even defend myself.
Are you serious?
When it has to do with a friend, I don't say I keep for you, but I feel to have. Does love equal to sex?
No.
No,
It doesn't. No, love doesn't equal to. That's somebody can be having sex with you and will not love you.
They don't even care about you.
Sex, so.
They just want Nyash.
Wow. But it's true. But it's very true. You're very correct.
Yes, now. Seriously, it doesn't equal to sex now. Even women, for women and men, it's not only men. Like,
yeah, for both genders.
Nyash is Nyash to some people.
What is probably the hardest thing to lose in your case? Why is it hard for you to give it up?
My children now. Because they are my children.
I feel the same way too.
Yeah.
I feel the same way.
Like, I can never give up my children in this life. Whatever it takes, I can't lose them. It's not possible. If we're talking about material things, to be honest, when it comes to material things, there's nothing. In fact, my camera will pay me more than my phone or laptop. Only because if I don't have a phone or laptop, I can still create content depending when I buy a new one. But everything that is material is replaceable.
It's replaceable. Yeah.
For my children, then my family, you know.
Same for me as well. Same for me.
Please go
I thought they swallow saliva.
Only take one slice of pizza. Only no touch my chicken, no touch my chicken. No, they buy food, no touch my. Why are you afraid? No, I don't joke like that. That my friends know where my meat is.
Excuse me.
Your best friend just confessed to having feelings for you and wants you to be more than usual friends. He or she loves you. What will you do or say? Let's say she loves you. What would you do or say?
Ha! First of all, do I even have best friend? That's the question.
Forget it. Let's assume you have the best friend.
Okay. So it's not possible now.
What will you do or say?
What will I do or say?
How will you handle it is the question.
First of all, I'll be shocked because anybody that knows me knows that I'm straight. I'm not bisexual.
They are blinded by love.
What the hell? It's not possible now. It's not possible. I'm already married now. I'm married and I'm straight. So even if, let's even assume that I wanted to have something with somebody else, it won't be a girl. So
when you just phrase it now, the girl not going to talk to you. Not let her off easily.
You are to save your family member or your lover. Okay, in this case, your husband. You are to save your family member or your lover from drowning in an ocean. Who do you leave to drown to their death and why?
Now for this question, family member can be auntie and uncle.
Okay, in that case,
I don't have a question.
you will allow your uncle to drown.
Shut
Your auntie will watch this video.
They know, and then again, it depends on the auntie and uncle. I have aunties and uncles I love dearly, but I have some that I don't give a F about. So it just depends. But generally speaking, I'll save the father of my children. I don't want my children to grow up fatherless.
Yeah.
I'll miss the family member, but even if I save you, you go back to your own family. And me, and not stay without my own family. When heading to work, you encounter a situation that you need to help out for. For instance, a cat is stuck on top of a tree. Your boss has threatened to fire you if you get late to work again. Do you risk saving the cat's life? Why and why? Let's not use cat as
What's my concern?
Hold on. Let's use human being. That's why I say let's not use cat. That cat will die.
That cat will be there.
So let's not use cats.
What's type of
as
cat?
a Nigerian, we're talking human beings here. So let's say you see somebody, a human being, maybe a madman on the road, about to die, stuck somewhere.
A child.
No, using a child is obvious. It's too obvious.
I'm a mother, so definitely I will stop.
A child is too obvious. You have to be a monster not to help that child.
Mm-hmm.
You know, a child is too obvious. So
it's like a regular adult, neither man nor woman. My boss told me I should not come late.
A homeless man, like you asked me.
To be quite honest, I'll go to work. If I'm being honest, yes,
of course, you want to be
I'm being honest. I'll go to work. Somebody else can help the guy or help the woman in question. I have bills to pay.
Yeah. But you know the funny thing, go to help, they will do juju for you, and then you give like there's just so many things. So
even then, I used to be scared to like give beggars money on the road because I've heard stories like you give them money, you disappear. Are you always nice to people, and do you expect something in return for your niceness?
When I'm nice to normal people, in fact, let's just say everybody, I don't expect something in return. But sometimes, to my very close friends, when they don't, not necessarily the same, when I need them in a separate way and they are not there for me, knowing that I will do the same for them, I just feel bad or sad or something. But it doesn't mean when I'm doing anything for them I expect it in return. No, but it's just like if you like someone is your friend, you should be able to do this for the person
without expecting anything in return. I agree.
If you could wish anything or do anything, what would it be? This question is easy but hard.
It's hard.
Imagine having just one wish.
If you could wish anything,
and God will grant you that wish.
If you could wish anything,
imagine having just one wish, and God will grant you that wish.
It's hard because I have so many things I wish God would do for me. So, but that particular one that is like,
for me, this is the same.
Are you serious? What will you say?
I'll tell God, promise me perfect health for my children forever.
Forever and
They
ever.
grow old and great.
You know, I don't know why my mind now went to money. I don't know why. I'm trying liking money too much these days. I don't know what is happening to
So when
me.
it comes to one wish, my mind never goes to money because I can always make money.
Yeah.
But you can't guarantee, money can't guarantee you good health or
True
sound
that.
mind or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
And I don't even care about it for myself. For my children, they should just live a very long, happy life.
Happy life. Healthy, happy life.
Okay, but let's just say something material, something materialistic. What would it be?
I'm going to be very selfish.
It's good to be selfish. Though.
I'm going to be very selfish.
It's good.
If I had one wish, I'll ask God to grant me, like I said, the power now. To grant me the power to become one of the biggest influencers in this country.
You don't mean the world.
In the world. In the whole world.
The world.
That is with the money and everything that comes with it.
They've been influencing from all over.
From all over the world, yeah. If I had
Nice.
one wish,
But you know
that
the
would
funny
be
thing,
it.
that's a good wish in the sense that it's actually not selfish. It's going to help your family. It's going to help people
Yeah,
around
yes, you
Even
get.
your friend, even myself, I go collection. I'm just saying, like,
Yeah, true.
imagine being the most powerful. The kind of person that when a brand comes to you, you give them a list of 10 people and come and hire us.
As in straight up, you get. Okay, guys, so we have come to the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank
need more
you,
video.
Nelo, for coming to my channel.
Thanks for having me.
Guys, subscribe to her channel.
Please.
Go and watch the video that we have done for her own channel.
Yes, please.
After
That
watching
was
this
fun.
one.
Please,
Go and watch
start
it.
editing it now.
Okay, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
I've been chasing highs just to breathe, yeah.